Winter's here and will always come back after the summer. And for many of us, the thought of a massive gas bill is even colder than the weather outside. But what if I told you there's a simple, affordable way to keep your home warm, even if your gas is cut off or you're looking for a more sustainable option? Hi, welcome to Calm and Ready, a place for simple habits and ideas that help you stay ready for real life, without fear or overwhelm. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that concerns many of us as the temperatures drop. We're going to tackle that pervasive winter worry, how to heat your home effectively without relying on gas. Our goal today is to offer you a straightforward, 24-hour heating solution that you can implement right away. We want to empower you with practical steps that don't just solve a problem but also save you money. Our promise is to help you stay warm, comfortable, and truly ready for whatever winter challenges come your way, all with confidence and peace of mind. Now, let's be honest, we all know the relatable struggle of a cold home. There's nothing quite like that chill that seeps into your bones, making everyday tasks feel like a monumental effort. Then there are the anxieties that swirl around those ever-increasing energy bills. Each month feels like a gamble, wondering just how high the cost will climb. Imagine trying to work from home, huddled under blankets, fingers numb on the keyboard. It's distracting, uncomfortable, and certainly not conducive to productivity. Or picture the dread of opening that energy statement, only to find an unexpectedly high gas bill that throws your entire budget off track. These are common scenarios many of us face, adding stress to our daily lives. Beyond immediate comfort and cost, there's a growing desire for sustainable living, for solutions that are kinder to our planet. We're all looking for ways to reduce our footprint and make more conscious choices. Plus, in areas with unreliable gas supplies, having a practical, alternative heating method isn't just a preference, it's a very real and pressing practical need. So, let's talk about the core solution, a multi-pronged strategy for gas-free heating that is both effective and achievable. This isn't about complex installations or expensive, high-tech equipment that's out of reach for most people. Instead, we'll focus on efficiency and readily available resources that you likely already have or can easily acquire. Our approach is built on simplicity, maximizing the warmth you already have and adding supplemental heat strategically. It's about being smart with your resources and understanding how heat works in your home. This strategy is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your DIY skill level. The first, and arguably most crucial, step for effective heating is excellent insulation. Think of your home as a giant thermos. You want to keep the heat inside and the cold out. Any heating strategy, no matter how good, will struggle if your home is leaking warmth. Your first action point is to seal drafts around doors and windows. These are often the biggest culprits for heat loss, allowing precious warmth to escape and cold air to sneak in. Use weather stripping, door snakes, or even temporary caulk to create a tighter seal. A small investment here can make a massive difference. Next, make good use of thick curtains, especially on north-facing windows or during the coldest parts of the day. Draw them closed at dusk to create an insulating barrier against the cold glass. Thermal-lined curtains are particularly effective at trapping heat inside your rooms. Remember, insulation isn't just about keeping you warm, it's the foundation for any effective heating strategy. By preventing heat loss, you reduce the amount of energy needed to maintain a comfortable temperature. This step sets the stage for everything else we'll discuss. Once your home is sealed, it's time to talk about adding heat. Our recommendation is to use portable electric heaters, but not just any heater. The key here is strategic and efficient use. These are excellent for supplemental heating or for warming specific areas. When selecting a heater, always choose energy-efficient models. Look for features like ceramic heating elements or oil-filled radiator styles, which tend to provide consistent, radiant heat without consuming excessive electricity. Avoid older, less efficient coil heaters if possible. Crucially, ensure your heaters have built-in thermostats. This allows you to set a desired temperature, and the heater will cycle on and off to maintain it, preventing overheating and saving energy. Without a thermostat, a heater will run continuously, wasting power. The real strategy here is to heat only the rooms that are in use. There's no need to warm an empty bedroom or a rarely used guest bathroom. Focus your electric heater in the living room during the day and perhaps your bedroom at night. This targeted approach maximizes efficiency and minimizes overall energy consumption, keeping your electricity bill manageable. Now, let's talk about a simple yet incredibly effective technique that requires no electricity at all: layering. This is a fundamental principle for staying warm in any cold environment, and it works wonderfully indoors. It significantly reduces the need for excessive heating, often more than you might realize. Your first action is to wear warm clothing. Think multiple thin layers rather than one bulky sweater. Thermal underwear, long-sleeved shirts, sweaters, and even a vest can trap body heat effectively. Don't forget warm socks and slippers to keep your feet cozy. Next, utilize blankets generously. Drape them over yourself while watching television, reading a book, or even working at your desk. A good quality fleece or wool blanket can provide instant warmth and comfort. Keep them easily accessible in your main living areas. For an extra touch of comfort and efficiency, consider investing in heated throws. These small, electric blankets are incredibly energy efficient compared to heating an entire room. They provide direct, localized warmth right where you need it most, perfect for a cozy evening. Embracing layering empowers you to adjust your personal comfort level without constantly tweaking the thermostat. It's a proactive way to manage your body temperature and stay warm throughout the day. Let's summarize the immense benefits and practical aspects of adopting this multi-pronged heating strategy. Firstly, it offers a truly affordable solution. By focusing on insulation, strategic electric heating, and personal layering, you're making cost-effective choices that pay off. It's about being smart with your money. This approach is also incredibly adaptable. Whether you're in an apartment, a small home, or a larger house, these principles can be applied effectively. It works in various situations, whether you're trying to save money, reduce your gas usage, or prepare for an outage. Perhaps best of all, this strategy allows for immediate implementation. You can start sealing drafts today, adjust your clothing, and position your heaters strategically. There's no waiting for contractors or complex installations. You can begin feeling warmer and more secure right away. This method significantly boosts your preparedness. You'll be ready for unexpected gas service interruptions or even localized power outages if you have a backup plan for specific rooms. It lessens your vulnerability to external factors. Ultimately, you gain reduced reliance on external gas supplies, giving you more independence and control. This leads to potential savings on your energy bills, which can add up significantly over the colder months. Imagine the relief of seeing lower numbers on your statements. This entire approach is about empowerment. It's about taking control of your own comfort and budget, rather than feeling at the mercy of rising energy costs or utility reliability. You become the master of your indoor climate. It's important to stress that this isn't about extreme measures or trying to live completely off-grid. These are smart, practical choices that make sense for modern living. It's about being thoughtful, efficient, and ready, transforming your home into a haven of warmth and security without unnecessary expense or effort. So there you have it, a simple, practical, and highly effective way to keep your home warm for 24 hours without relying on gas. This strategy is all about empowerment and preparedness, giving you peace of mind this winter. You can stay warm, stay ready, and face the colder months with newfound confidence. We're all about practical tips to help you navigate life's challenges with confidence. Give this video a like if you learned something new, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Let's help each other stay warm and ready this winter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Calm and Ready for Shore for simple ways to stay ready every day. Stay calm. Stay ready.